is such a cool town. So bright and fun. So now we're making our way down to the beach, or to the water. I don't know if there is a beach over here, but we're gonna give it the old college try. Oof. We just got a stern talking to by a shopkeeper about the story of the knockers and what each of them mean. So the lion was military, and the iguana, I can't remember what he said, but there was a crab one, and that meant sailor. And the owl was a lawyer. Yeah, my favorite one was the crab. Oh, I'm so excited. There it is. All right, we're gonna try and get a better look at it.
I do like this. They're the old school.
It's greener than I thought it would be.
The ocean?
Yeah.
Yeah, it didn't look very beachy.
Yeah, freaking love pelicans. There's lots of them here.
Church over there.
This way. Woo. I feel like it would really throw me off riding my scoot and then getting blasted by the ocean. Just that thing?
Yeah.
Just that thing?
It's like a star. If you're looking at it from above. And there's a whole bunch of chairs up there to overlook the beach. And I'm assuming that there's beer there.
Apparently I'm too short to see this.
No, fucking brook right over there.
Oh, I think we should go have a beer at that roof over there.
Okay.
I'm not gonna take no for an answer.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's fucking go.
Let's fucking go.
Ugh. Stop. No.
Handsy.
Here, let me just play grab ass with yours.
Yeah. There isn't one, so. It'd be neat to have that as your view. But yeah, I just find it funny because it's like cerveza on agua or something.
I thought he was
Like,
gonna
oh,
talk to me
beer.
about the bird.
Whoa. It's an old hitching post.
Old iron post is up.
Yeah. Are we at the fort?
We can't do this until tomorrow.
Oh, shucks. We don't have a schedule, Eva.
Can you get in?
That's random. Kind of creepy. I'm not actually quite certain what we're walking on. Like the wall.
Bastilian or something like that. But the fort is on the opposite corner of this district.
Oh.
This is like the...
Well, there's cannons over here though. So that's why I'm confused. Jenny, where are you?
There's probably cannons over here because this is an area they were attacked at a lot.
Oh yeah, I'm sure they had to protect it from invaders.
Huh.
Probably.
Roy failed me on getting a beer underneath the roof over here. But we have been offered several beers by several hawkers. So, you know, I guess it's my fault.
Oh, some of you.
It'll be cool. I have a dog now. We're best friends. She's coming with me. I'm calling her Lola.
Bye, Lola. Oh, hi, Lola.
No. Let me him chop
right, bye. Bye, Pepper. Nope. Nope, I have a shaman dog. She keeps watching us from across the road. We crossed and she can't come. I feel sad.
And Eva's dog. What you do is you grab it and you try to feed that hawk.
Can I feed my dog?
Sure,
Can I feed my dog? Did she make it? Is she still over there?
She's okay. Watching you from the shadows.
Oh, god damn. I have a Colombian dog now.
So you didn't stop petting her.
Who's a sweet girl. How'd you get across the road?
She looked both ways. She did, really.
Breaking my heart. Our fearless Colombian dog. Yeah, we could probably do that. You ready to go, girl?
Watch out for traffic. Halfway, waited, and then crossed out. She looked both ways.
After. You ready? Let's go, Lola. Our shaman dog. We figured out how they get us in here. Their dog follows people around until you bring them back to where she was. And then you buy a beer. That's smart. Oh, she's asleep under the table. I thought she left. Yeah, waiter saw that we were playing a game. Oh, God. And he brought out this board game. And it had cockroaches on it. And they're just crawling around Roy's chair. No, God, if you open that fucking thing, I will die.
Your dog will step to it and kill all of them for you.
Oh, Jesus. I hope Lola's... Don't open it. Don't do it.
No, I would.
You did. You just opened. Fuck. Losing my mind. Oh, I was fighting for my life there for a minute. And then Roy found one. He opened the box, and then he found another one in there and dumped it on the dog.
I didn't dump it on the dog. I dumped it next to the dog. She woke up, snatched it, and went back to sleep like it was nothing. Kind of like Mort with spiders.
You leave my Colombian perro alone.
First player to get rid of all their cards wins.
This is basically just rummy. I need this beer now.
Roomy.
Ooh, did he crawl up?
Nothing.
Jesus. God damn. There's not much in this world that makes me squeal. Ugh.
Yeah, I have no idea why those.
No, we had to leave our dog behind. Oh, Lola's home, the sweet girl. We'll have to come back and have another beer with her. She was a good baby. So now we're gonna go see the sunset. Looks like, and have more beers. So it looks like this is a big thing.
Oh yeah, lots of people.
I don't think this is that great of a spot for a sunset. I mean, colors are pretty, but What? We could go have another beer with our dog.
No.
Lola. She's over there laying down, waiting for us. In Turkey, there were hair plugs everywhere. Like people who gotten hair plug surgery. Here, it's like beautiful women in like giant dresses taking pictures.
Like everywhere.
So that pretty much concludes our day. A wonderful food tour full of so much food. That was so good. Although I think the arepa that we started with this morning was the best. And the sunset was, you know, I don't think that this is a sunset place. But I think to close out the day, we're gonna visit this basilica and then say goodnight.
Let's go check it out.
I love how decked out this place gets for Christmas. Like Cartegena in general. It's pretty cool. But I guess it's to be expected. I mean, this is a Catholic country. Like very Catholic. Okay, so that pretty much does it for us tonight. That was a great first day. Cartegena is awesome. I'm pretty tickled with it. So good night, and we'll see you in the morning.